Ready to make your kitchen smarter and actually easier to use? These smart Amazon kitchen gadgets you didn't know about, and actually work, are here to simplify cooking, save time, and take the hassle out of everyday tasks. From clever tools to game-changing upgrades, they handle the hard part so you don't have to. Check the links in the description to grab yours. Chopping and shredding vegetables usually takes time, effort, and a lot of cleanup, but this electric slicer changes that instantly. You just drop your ingredients into the chute, and it shreds or slices them in seconds with powerful motor-driven cones. Whether you want thin slices, thick cuts, or fine shreds, you can switch attachments to get exactly the texture you need. It's perfect for cheese, salads, potatoes, or even chocolate and nuts. And when you're done, most parts go straight into the dishwasher, so cleanup is just as fast as the prep. Ever opened your fridge and found eggs rolling around or getting crushed in the corner? This smart egg dispenser fixes that in the most satisfying way. You just load your eggs on the top, and the gravity-fed design automatically rolls them forward, so you always grab the oldest one first. It keeps everything organized while preventing cracks and mess. With 4 stacked layers, it saves space and holds up to 30 eggs without cluttering your fridge. Simple, clever, and surprisingly satisfying to use, it turns egg storage into something neat and effortless. Ever wished one kitchen device could replace half your cookware? This multi-cooker gets pretty close. It lets you pressure cook, slow cook, sear, or just keep food warm, all from a simple touchscreen panel. No confusing dials, just easy controls that let you choose exactly how your food cooks. The ceramic nonstick pot means your meals slide right out and cleanup is quick and painless. And with built-in safety features plus automatic steam release, you can cook big family meals with way more confidence and way less stress. Imagine having a mini kitchen that you can carry anywhere. This electric Hotpot makes that real. With 1,000 watts of heating power, it quickly cooks everything from noodles and oatmeal to eggs and even steak. You can switch between 2 heat levels, so you stay in full control of how fast and how hot you want things cooked. Its 2-liter size is perfect for 1 to 3 people, making it great for quick meals, dorms, or small kitchens. The non-stick interior makes cleanup super easy, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time eating. Strawberries taste better when they're sliced, but nobody enjoys doing it one by one with a knife. This handheld slicer makes the whole process feel almost instant. You just drop a strawberry inside, squeeze, and it cuts it into even pieces in a single motion. No slipping, no uneven cuts, and no risk to your fingers. It's perfect when you're prepping desserts, toppings, or quick snacks for the family. Small, simple, and easy to use, it turns a boring kitchen task into something fast and fun you'll actually enjoy doing. Cleaning your bathroom usually feels like a full workout, but this electric spin scrubber changes that completely. It does the hard scrubbing for you with fast rotating heads that blast away dirt from tiles, tubs, and even tight corners. You just guide it lightly, and it handles the pressure so you don't have to strain your wrists. With 2 speed modes, you can switch between light daily cleaning or stronger scrubbing for stubborn grime. Most stoves just sit there and heat, but this one turns cooking into something way more controlled and precise. With 2 powerful burners, you can cook multiple dishes at the same time without waiting around. The flame adjusts easily with smooth knobs, so you can go from a gentle simmer to high heat in seconds. Its tempered glass surface not only looks sleek, but also wipes clean in moments after cooking. Built for both indoor kitchens and outdoor setups, it gives you strong, reliable heat wherever you need it, without any complicated setup. A messy sink can make your whole kitchen feel unorganized, even when everything else is clean. This clever faucet-mounted caddy fixes that in seconds. It hangs right over your tap so your sponge, soap, and brush always stay within reach. No more dripping items sitting in random corners of the sink. Built-in drainage holes let everything dry fast, so you don't end up with that soggy smell. And since it uses your faucet space instead of the counter, you instantly free up room and keep your sink area looking neat and controlled. Corn on the cob is amazing, until it starts slipping and burning your fingers. These clever corn holders fix that problem instantly. You just push them into both ends of the corn, and the secure 3-prong design locks in tight so nothing moves while you eat. No more messy drops or awkward balancing acts. They even interlock together when stored, so you're not digging through drawers looking for a missing pair. With a simple one-hand grip, they make eating corn cleaner, safer, and way more comfortable for everyone at the table. Washing fruits and vegetables usually means juggling bowls, strainers, and water everywhere, but this clever 2-in-1 bowl changes that completely. It rotates a full 360 degrees so you can rinse, drain, and flip things without making a mess. Inside, the removable strainer locks in place, letting water flow out while keeping your food secure. You can even use it as a regular mixing or serving bowl by taking the inner layer out. And when you're done, it all snaps back together neatly, making kitchen prep faster, cleaner, and way more convenient. Ever struggled to crack the top of a soft-boiled egg without turning it into a mess? This little egg topper fixes that instantly. You just place it on the egg, give it a quick press, and it cleanly slices off the top like a tiny precision cutter. No broken shells falling into your food, and no wasted yolk. It works on both soft and hard-boiled eggs, so you can use it for breakfast or even fancy plating. Small, simple, and easy to store. It's one of those tools you don't think you need until you try it. Ever poured way too much oil and instantly regretted it? This smart oil dispenser fixes that problem in the most satisfying way. With a simple press, it sprays a fine mist so you can coat pans, salads, or air fryer baskets without drowning your food. And when you need more, it switches instantly into a smooth pour mode for full control. The anti-drip nozzle keeps your counters clean, so there's no sticky mess afterward. Made from light-proof glass, it also helps keep your oil fresher for longer while you cook smarter every day. Chopping veggies shouldn't feel like a workout, and this compact food chopper proves it in seconds. It quickly turns onions, herbs, nuts, or sauces into the exact texture you want, from chunky to smooth. With 2 speed settings plus a pulse mode, you get full control over how fine or coarse everything becomes. A smart drizzle opening lets you add liquids while it's running, perfect for creamy dressings or dips. When you're done, the parts come apart easily and go straight into the dishwasher, making cleanup just as effortless as the chopping. Fresh juice doesn't always need a big machine. This handheld fruit squeezer lets you extract juice in seconds with simple pressing power. Just place your fruit inside and push down the ergonomic handle. It does the hard work for you. The strong aluminum body gives solid pressure, so you get every last drop without straining your hands. A built-in spout makes pouring clean and easy, while the compact design means you can store it anywhere in your kitchen. Making dumplings or buns doesn't have to be tricky anymore. This simple mold set helps you shape perfect stuffed snacks in just a few steps. Just place your dough or wrapper inside, add your filling, and press. It seals everything neatly in seconds. The design keeps the shape even and clean, so your food looks as good as it tastes. Lightweight and easy to use, it makes homemade cooking feel fun instead of stressful. Cleaning those tiny lid gaps doesn't have to be frustrating anymore. This 3-in-1 brush set is designed to reach all the spots your regular sponge misses. You get different brush heads for corners, grooves, and tight seals, so every part comes out spotless. The rotating design helps you adjust angles easily while you clean. It's compact, easy to store, and makes deep cleaning bottles and lids feel quick and effortless. Baking just got a whole lot cleaner and more precise. This batter scoop lets you portion cupcakes, muffins, or pancakes without the usual mess. Just fill it up, slide the trigger, and it drops the perfect amount right where you need it. No drips, no uneven sizes. The smooth plunger keeps things controlled while the ergonomic handle feels easy in your hand. Cleanup is quick too, so you can focus on enjoying what you bake. Cherry prep doesn't have to be slow or messy anymore. This multi-pitter lets you remove seeds from several cherries at once with a single press. Just load them in, push down, and the pits drop neatly into a container below. No splatter, no wasted fruit. The spring-loaded design makes it easy on your hands, even during big batches. It comes apart for quick cleaning, so you're ready for the next round in seconds. Cracking nuts shouldn't feel like a workout. This heavy-duty nutcracker uses smart leverage to split tough shells with minimal effort. Just place the nut inside, press down, and it cracks cleanly without crushing the inside. The built-in lid keeps shell pieces from flying everywhere, so your space stays mess-free. Its ergonomic handle feels comfortable in your hand, making it easy to use again and again. Dull knives slowing you down in the kitchen? This multifunction tool brings them back to life in seconds. It sharpens straight and serrated blades while also working as a handy peeler for everyday prep. The sturdy grinding heads stay effective over time, so you're not constantly replacing tools. Its ergonomic handle feels comfortable in your hand, making quick touch-ups easy. One simple gadget, and your cutting becomes smooth again. One appliance, endless ways to cook. That's the kind of upgrade your kitchen needs. This digital countertop oven handles everything from air frying crispy snacks to baking, roasting, and even dehydrating. The touchscreen makes it simple to control temperature and timing without guesswork. With a powerful convection system, heat circulates evenly, so your food comes out perfectly cooked on every rack. It's spacious enough for full meals, yet compact enough to sit right on your counter. Chopping used to feel like the longest part of cooking until this showed up. This handheld electric cutter lets you slice, chop, and prep ingredients right where you need them. Just drop in garlic, peppers, or even meat, and it handles the work in seconds. The powerful motor keeps everything moving smoothly, while the ergonomic grip makes it easy on your hands. You can even clean it with one button. Just add soap, run it, and rinse. Fresh juice without the hassle finally feels possible. This cold press juicer takes whole fruits and turns them into smooth, nutrient-packed drinks with barely any prep. The wide feed chute means you can skip chopping and just drop ingredients straight in. It also switches rolls easily, making nut milk or even frozen fruit sorbet when you want something different. The powerful motor keeps things quiet but efficient, and cleanup is quick with removable, easy-to-rinse parts. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.